Well, all right, here we are at Joey's Hostel. We got everything loaded up. Can I fit any more crap on this bike? Yeah, so over here is all the camping stuff. Everything needed to camp in cold weather. Got some sandals. Here's all my street clothes and my other motorcycle clothes. Of course, I got the old Nomax tank bag, and this is the Reckless 80 from Moscow Moto, which is awesome. I just carried too much crap. Even this, like my shoes, I got this whole top piece because my shoes are so big. This is just like 5 shirts, 2 underwear, and a couple other little bits and pieces for the motorcycle. So yeah, it sucks being a giant, but that's life. I'm excited, y'all. Let's go ride, baby. Maiden voyage of D-Ray. I gotta say, for having all the stuff on here, it's actually pretty comfortable. This I was trying to design this where this would kind of be a little bit of a backrest with this big old seat that we got made, and it actually worked out nice. Took about an hour to get out here. Just got gas for the first time, 78 miles to the gallon, which liters to kilometers, shit, I'd have to calculate it. But I've never had a bike get that good a mileage, especially loaded up with all this dog crap. But yeah, she's done good. And here we are at our first set of ruins. I'm excited. Look, they even got little baby monkeys. Hey, buddy, don't come over here and eat my helmet. He's wild. So, I'm gonna have to get out and explore this bad girl. But thus far, pretty impressed with old D-Ray. Come through the villages, come through the highway, come through the traffic. Ain't nothing but a thing, baby. She actually did surprisingly well. And this is how we make buttermilk. Super steam 10,000. Chimney going up there, boom. It goes over here, and these guys are whipping up the goods. They're making basically condensed buttermilk in these massive tankolas. It's pretty impressive. Pretty dang impressive. Here in the old village.
Milk is putting in this?
Oh, yeah. Da-da-da-da.
This is just water, so
Sure.
washing it.
Uh-huh.
Just to show you how it works.
Denny of ours, thank you very much.
There is the final product.
Boom. And that's the final product. That's the goods, baby. Woo. Big in the champ, baby. We found the abandoned ruins. It's inside of a military base. Come here, little cow. Give me that love. I don't have any roadies for you. We're on the second floor of this abandoned ruin. And sure enough, got a beautiful street cow. Hey, baby. Oh, you're a good girl. I should say good boy. Oh, yeah, I know. Check this thing out. Middle of nowhere, a little jungle situation north of Delhi by about, an hour and a half. Just hanging out, living the good life in the abandoned mansion, which at one time was pretty freaking cool. he can still today. Pretty awesome. Cow agrees. Find it hilarious that the cow's on the second floor. What are you even eating up here, buddy? Hey, buddy. Yeah. Just a good life. Hey, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, this is what it's all about, y'all. We got the Noble Expo getting ready for her initial maintenance after 600 kilometers, 400 miles. And by golly, this bike's as big as all the other motorcycles on the stands. That's a good life. That Noble Beast. Yeah, baby. Ain't nothing but to say for that X-Pulse. Get it up there, live it up. Everyone wants to see the chain oiler, so we turn that bend, girl. We come down here, and we should see oil. Let's fill it up. Voila! You can see it dripping out. Got the bike done, and let's see, can I? There we go, boom. So I'm here. I'm thinking I'll head back down here to Rikikesh, see the Beatles and another temple, then buzz up this little road here, and you can't really see it on the map, but there's a real small little trail over here, so I might take that road over here to Missouri, or if I'm enjoying it, I'll just stay on this and then come all the way back around into Missouri. So that's going to be the plan for the next day or two. Whoop, whoop, whoop! I'm excited. Got the bike fixed up, ready to ride.